Morning, my people. I had a late sleeping. I contacted the front desk and said, like, can I check out a bit later? So I extended my checkout by 2 hours. But I was laid in bed. Wanna go on orange juice. Wanna go a cookie. Chilled a bit. The weather's not great today, as you can see. It's a Sunday, which I don't think means everything's like open, long hours, like normal Sunday stuff. My flight's only at 10, so yeah, I'm thinking, what should I do all day? I got a couple ideas, but they're not great. I've done pretty much everything. There's like a spa place, but obviously like can't vlog in there. Then there's the nature reserve, but it's just a lot of water and grass, isn't it? Look at the sky. Like, if it was sunny, I wouldn't mind the nature reserve, but so I don't know. Yeah, first things first, gonna get some grub. Need to check out this place, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. See you in a bit. Good morning, Sweden. So the hotel let me leave my bag there, which is obviously very nice because it's heavy and I've got all day. But she put it behind the bar, and I was like, I've got my laptop in there. She's like, yeah, I'll be fine. I'm like, you didn't give me like a ticket or something to prove it's my... No, don't worry, it's fine. I hope it's fine, bro. I'm a bit scared now. Bro, I was gonna get like a proper Swedish breakfast, and I've come back in the London bar. I know. Yeah, bro, I got lazy. I was gonna find like a nice spot for breakfast again. Try to have a more traditional, maybe some pancakes, I don't know, but I ended up back in the London pub, bro. Waiting for a Guinness. There's some good views though. So yeah, but I still don't know what the plan is. Feeling lazy. It's a Sunday. It's a bit quiet. I've done like everything yesterday, so just gonna grab a burger from here. They didn't have fish and chips, which is very disappointing from the London bar. But I'll grab a quick burger and then we see what the day has to offer. I feel a bit written off, man. I don't know why. So yeah, burger done, Guinness almost done. London in again, had my burger, very Swedish. I said to my mum like, oh yeah, I've been eating very Swedish. I had pizza and burger, and then she was like, I think the Swedish eat meatballs. And I was like, no, I think that's just IKEA. But yeah, I don't know, Mo. It's a bit cold out. I'm tired. I think I might go spa life, lay, relax, maybe even sleep, since I haven't got the hotel room, mate. Not gonna be much to vlog, but it's gonna be nice for me. So yeah, my Swedish analysis does kind of have like the Lilyhammer vibes. I don't know if you've seen the show on Netflix, Lilyhammer, but it is a little bit like that. It's like very quiet, laid back, chilled out, bikes everywhere. Like, I don't know, cute. You'd call it cute. It's cute. Rita would say cute. Some people would say amazing. But yeah, the people are really nice. It seems very chilled back. Easy life, really. I just see the football stadium down here, and I was like, oh, if there's a game, maybe I could watch it. And then I started to think, It's Premier League final day today, so gotta find the bar. Just hope Chelsea don't make the Champions League, bro. Like, that'll be nice. So that's gonna be my plan. Skate park calf. On the way to the spa, I came across this skate park. It's a pretty nice skate park, to be honest with you. See if I've got like a little statue in the middle. It's got the deep one, rails, its own little calf, its own little benches. I bet this is a little bit of a spot in the summer and late at night as well. Get the chillers, skaters. I don't know what it is, yeah, but these houses are like IKEA houses. Like they literally sprung up today or something. Put them up in a couple of days. Don't know why. So what is it? Is it just like a tower? Defense for the city on the outskirts? Or it's not a church, it's not religious, is it? Consulting. There we go, that's what it is. It's a consulting office. Yeah, I've reached the spa. This is the gym entrance, but look at this. They have like an outside part of the gym. Don't know if it's open, no one's using it, but like all the machines are in the outside. Seems a bit pointless in a Nordic country, but it's nice either way, different. Bro, that was disappointing. The spa's not open, just the gym. And I didn't really fancy the Lost City water slides. I just wanted to like chill by the pool. Lay on the bed and sleep. That's a shame. So, I guess to the nature reserve then. It's a bit cold, but unless I find something else, I think it's going to be nature reserve. So I've come to the nature reserve. No idea what to expect. It's nice and calm though. It's a bit cold, but starting to learn how to deal with that now. You can hear the birds singing. It's lovely. I want to see some birds. What type of birds do they have here? It's a little restaurant here. Naturance house. Sounds a bit healthy for me, but hopefully they sell beer or something. Unless it's like smoothies. Try and get a beer. They have a fire in here, but you can't do shisha. Why not? You could have a nice little picnic, like party here with your mates. But yeah, I would definitely come back to Sweden, like one of the bigger cities, like Gothenburg or Stockholm, or I would definitely do that because Sweden's been good vibes. I liked it. Orebro is a nice place. It's a nice place. I would suggest like come here with your family, have a like little trip with your wife or your girl, whatever, or maybe with your kids. It's like it's a kid-friendly place. There's a lot to do for them. But yeah, sums it up, mate. It's my take on Orebro. This is very relaxing. Wish I had a little bit bigger of a coat, or it was a little warmer. But I'm enjoying just being one with the Swedish nature. Don't know how long I'm actually gonna walk there. But oh, I've seen this online. It's like a weird looking duck. It's like Angry Bird. I want to see an Angry Bird. It's none here. Where are they? Oh, there's one. Is that one? Can you see it? Don't know if that's the Angry Bird there. Doesn't really look so angry. It looks like a duck. Maybe it's not the one. There's another one. No, it's not the one. It's not the one. It is a different looking kind of duck. It's not the Angry Bird. I'm gonna do that because I'm not really looking to get lost. And as you guys might know, I'm terrible with directions. I'm sure I can still map it though, right? Because there's paths, it'll be on the maps, but I don't know. I'm not trying to get lost, man. Frogs and lizards. No, we got this again, the angry duck. But there's no angry ducks, bro. There's just normal ducks. And there's like the sign's there, but there's is there water there? I don't know. Now how can they put a sign? How do they know where the angry duck's gonna be, you know? There's just normal ducks, bro. Like, I see those ducks in London all the time. Like, those are in the Slough Pond, those ducks, so... Oh no. I see no angry ducks. I ended up walking way further than I wanted to. It's just nice, just in my thoughts, you know. Bit of me time. But I kind of want to find the big lake. Just look upon the big lake. I don't know where it is. I think maybe I'm on like an island thing and I need to like go around. But I might give that plan up. Oh, flies everywhere. No English, terrible mate, terrible. I would like to see this bird though. If he's about anywhere. Okay, there we go. I was already there, but this is not. This is like the stream that leads to the big lake. And when I say big lake, like, oh bloody hell. Okay, there we go. I was right there. But oh, they must be rowing right here. So this is like the stream river bit. I don't know what you call this stuff that leads to the big lake. And when I say big lake, like, I'm not lying, mate, it's massive. Like, you could sail there for days. Look at that. Basically the sea. Is it the sea? No, it's just a lake. I don't know. Look how big it is there. I wonder if people like sail from here across the country to the other side of the lake for transport, but it doesn't seem so. Lovely. But the water looks freezing. I don't really like water, even being this close. But at least we've done it. There we go. Let's go get a beer and watch football. And they give you firewood as well. I feel to start a fire, mate. I've got a lighter. What else do I need? Do you remember yesterday? Look, yesterday when I was in that park, you remember the bench and it wasn't tied down. They tied this one. Like, who's gonna steal this from here? Maybe people are moving it and they don't want it moved, but I don't know. These little fire pits are really nice though, because you could like come 10, 20 people, speakers, get the fire going, cook some burgers, some more chicken, someone brings the buns. Make sure you don't get waved and fall in here. Are these like lily pads? I don't know, I don't see any frogs. Oh, is that a frog? No, it's not a frog. It's a twig. Anyway, that's enough nature for today. Let's go get a beer and watch football. Oh, I was too slow. I was too slow to pull the camera out. I saw the angry duck thing. He was like flying in those trees. Where is he? That's not him. Them two are like terrorizing him. Oh well. I saw it. Let's go watch the footy, mate. I was gonna go in this restaurant of the like nature reserve, but it's getting close to footy time, so I might go back to the stadium sports bar because you never got to see that yesterday. So I might go see if they got the Premier League on. Get a fake Guinness. Nah, I'm not. I was saying I haven't drunk much Swedish beer. It's because all the places have Czech beer. And it's not my favourite either. No, it's a bit heavy. Heavy taste, not smooth. Hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
You again?
Yes. You going to
The stadium?
stadium?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ja, men verkligen. Och jag ser framför mig den här sandlådan att man ligger och sitter.
You live in India?
No, bro.
You live in here, okay.
I live in London.
Yeah, I know. You live in London.
Oh no, I know. I just came to have a walk in the nature.
Okay. How long have you been in here?
Just since Friday.
5 days.
No, Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, 2 days.
Okay.
I'm leaving tonight.
Tonight? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get Uber to the airport. Maybe I'll see you again.
Okay, you can call me, okay?
Alright, cool.
The airport, Ryanair. I'm taking it with Ryanair.
Yeah, Ryanair.
Cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Very cheap.
Intressanta integritetsfrågor där vi skulle behöva lite mer guidning och hjälp. Deltar i en samråd. Så det är superspännande verkligen.
Men ni har någonting på gång nu? Kan man...
Here we go. Here at the stadium. Let's go check it out pitch side. We're gonna go pitch side. Max, I know this looks like fast food. Look how nice this is. The girls are kicking ball. I don't know any of these teams. I only really know Malmo, to be honest, and that's because Ibrahimovic played for them. But there we go, sports bar. Hopefully they got Premier League on. Let's go see. at this, lovely. Premier League, beautiful. I don't want this one. I need to try a falcon. I don't know what that is. Let's try a falcon. Oh, it's much better than that. Much better than that other rubbish. Oh, it's good. The women are actually playing a proper game. Alright, now we got Chelsea Forest. I got a good beer. Not that Czech rubbish. Common Forest. I was gonna get some chips or something. The kitchen's closed. Mate, you smashed it, bro. Free popcorn. Common Forest. There's a bit too much going on with this football shirt. A bit too much. Forest are not going to do it, man. It's going to be Chelsea. I'm waiting for my burger. I don't know if this is like a Swedish spot, Max. Never heard of it. There's a view again of the stadium. Still in the stadium. Bro, it's the same about Nottingham Forest, man. If they would have won that game, they would have gone champions. Big up to Newcastle. Villa just missed out. They lost to United, so it's their fault, man, because Newcastle lost today as well. But good to see Newcastle there. Didn't want to see Chelsea there, but is what it is, man. Gonna munch my burger. I'm gonna go pick up my bag. Maybe have time for another beer and then head to the airport. So it's been great. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love Sweden. I'm gonna be back. Next we're in Serbia. There'll probably be some like London ones dropping. I've done a few London ones, and then we're in Serbia, capital of Serbia. So until then, don't know, I was just sitting here thinking, like, I've been bigging up this restaurant and the sports bar, but this stadium must not sell out, because look, it's 13,000, bro. Imagine match day, 13,000 man coming. This place would be packed out. There'd be fucking beer everywhere. If this was in England, there'd be drunk people, people be throwing stuff onto the pitch, like. Well, maybe it works here, but maybe it's not for everywhere. That's why we don't do it, you know. Thought of the day. There we go. Last meal of Sweden. I think I got way too much food, bro, but I wanted to use my Swedish money. See you next time.